Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset on your REALME Buds AIR 5. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. The earbuds are will be disconnected from your phone, and we can see it right now at the device list. And after that just open it and it will reconnect to your phone. So we should see it. Did we? So if you don't want to reconnect automatically, sometimes it happens, just click O. As you can see right now, we have reconnect. Yeah, but if you don't want, just click on your earbuds at the device list and you will reconnect it manually. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.